Good morning, Junior 1, and here is your IPC lesson. I hope your medals are drying somewhere safe, ready for Friday's Mini Olympics. Our learning goal for today is I can use secondary sources to obtain information. Is that knowledge, skills, or understanding? Yes, it's a skill. I can use. Okay, I can or I am able to. Okay, so today we are going to go back to ancient Greece and we are thinking about the beginning of the Olympics. So let me just put that in the middle. The Olympics past and present. The first recorded Olympic Games was held in Olympia, Greece in 776 BC. That's an awful long time ago. The Games were held every 4 years, just as they are today. Back then it was only held in Olympia in Greece, whereas now it's held in a different country around the world each time. See if you can think of some countries that you know that have had Olympic Games. Nowadays we have, as well as the Summer Olympics, we also have Winter Olympics, and those are held 2 years after the Summer Olympics. The next Winter Olympics are going to be in China. To symbolise the ancient Olympics, the Olympic torch is carried around the country of the Games. In ancient Olympics, there were only 10 sports, and in modern Olympics there are more than 20. And it seems like each time there's another Olympics, there's another Olympic sport added to it. In ancient Greece, the pentathlon was running, wrestling, long jump, discus and javelin. In the modern pentathlon, there is pistol shooting, fencing, swimming, show jumping and cross-country running. How many activities in a pentathlon? Yes, that's right, 5, like pentagon with 5 sides. In the ancient Olympics, athletes ran barefoot and they wore no clothes. Today, they wear clothes and they often have special shoes. In the ancient Olympics, women were not allowed to watch or compete in the games. Nowadays, women and men both do take part, but they don't compete against each other. So today you are going to choose between 2 activities. You can do this activity which compares ancient Olympics with the modern Olympics, and you'll just move the statements into the correct place on your Google Slides document. So women are allowed to compete. Is that ancient or modern? Yes, that's modern. Women were allowed to compete. They are nowadays. The Olympic Games were held every 4 years. Where does that go? Yes, that's right. It goes in the middle here because both ancient Olympics and modern Olympics are every 4 years. So you drag those into the right place on your Google Slides. Or you can make a poster to invite people to the 2021 Olympics in Japan, the 2022 Olympics in China, or even a poster to invite your family to your own mini Olympics, which will either be at the weekend or on Friday, depending on how you can organise it. Okay? If you want more information about the Olympic rings, you can watch this slideshow, which I'll attach if you'd like, about the modern Olympic Games having 5 interlocking rings: the blue, the yellow, the black, the green and the red. Just if you are interested in all of the history about the Olympics. Okay, have fun, and I will see you in the small group meetings. Bye for now.